Have you ever wondered why gas fills up a room or how the pressure inside a balloon works? Today we will explore the kinetic theory of gas developed by Maxwell and Boltzmann. Here are the points of kinetic theory of gas. Number 1. Every gas is made up of a large number of tiny particles called molecules. The key thing to note is that for any specific gas, all molecules are identical in mass and size, but they differ from one gas to another. This is why helium behaves differently from oxygen or nitrogen. The molecules in a gas are separated by large distances. The space between the molecules is so significant that the actual volume of the molecules is negligible compared to the total volume of the gas. This explains why gases are compressible. There is so much empty space between the molecules. The distances between gas molecules are so large that forces of attraction or repulsion between them are almost non-existent. This is why gases, unlike solids or liquids, don't cling to one another or form a rigid shape. Gas molecules are in constant motion. They move in different directions at different speed, and as a result, they frequently collide with one another and with the wall of the container. These collisions are called molecular collisions. Because gas molecules are moving at different velocities, they possess different kinetic energies. However, there is an important relation between kinetic energy and temperature. The average kinetic energy of gas molecule is directly proportional to the absolute temperature of the gas. As the temperature increases, the molecules move faster. When gas molecules hit the wall of the container, they exert pressure. This pressure is the result of countless collisions where molecules bombard the container walls. The faster the molecules move, the higher the temperature, the greater the pressure they exert. The force of gravity on individual gas molecule is so small that it can be ignored in most cases. Gas molecules are tiny for gravity to have a significant impact on their behavior inside the container. Gas molecules are assumed to be perfectly elastic. This means that when they collide either with one another or with the wall of the container, no kinetic energy is lost. These elastic collisions ensure that the total energy of the system remains constant over time. Here is the summary of the key points we have discussed. Gases are made up of tiny identical molecules. These molecules are widely spaced with negligible intermolecular forces. They move randomly and continuously, causing pressure through collision. The average kinetic energy is directly related to the temperature. Molecular collisions are perfectly elastic, ensuring no loss of energy. That's it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.